Hi, my name's Frank Valentic, Director of Advantage Property Consulting, and this month we're going to look at some investor tips when you do come to the stage of looking to sell. What sort of renovations should you do at that point? The first things I'll look at are things that I think you shouldn't do. And I don't think you should go ahead, if you haven't already done it, and put in a brand new kitchen, or go to the expense of putting in a brand new bathroom, or even go down the path of getting permits and extending a property, or doing major structure renovations, things like suddenly going in and re-stumping or re-roofing or replastering and doing some major structural works. Because I think if you haven't done the works by then and haven't had a chance for the property to really have the benefit of those works, then you can put those works in. The buyer can come along, not particularly like your kitchen or bathroom, and you've over-invested and basically you won't get your money back on the resale. So what are some of the things you should do before you sell your investment property? Some small little things that you can do are more cosmetic items. So looking at recarpeting or polishing floorboards will make a big difference. Looking at repainting the property will freshen it up, make it look a lot brighter. Looking at landscaping and gardening can make it have a great first impression and better street appeal, so that's important. Looking at going around and looking at all the maintenance items, any loose door handles, any loose knobs, hinges, fixing those sort of things so the buyers don't come out and say they need to do a lot of work to the property. The other things I would look at are some sort of cost-effective cosmetic renovations, like updating the window furnishings, updating the light fittings, updating the door handles, things like that. That's where I would be investing my money. The last part when you're selling is the most important, is usually to present the property for sale, and that's where still a majority of owners don't go down that path. So styling the property, getting a qualified interior designer stylist to have the property looking fresh, have it looking bright, and also having that wow factor for buyers. Your main buyer at the moment will be a home buyer, so you need to appeal to that marketplace. Investors have dropped off significantly, so you really need to appeal and basically sell your property to home buyers to get the best result. My name's Frank Valentic. We look forward to seeing you next time for some more investor tips.